involvement in this project means great honor from one side, and from the other side, big responsibility. 2 times we have been the partners and suppliers of the pools, and now for this Water Polo European Championship.
Because of all the things that our team achieved in the last 2 decades, water polo is very important for us. So we should present our team in the best way that we can, occupy the best venue that we have in Belgrade.
We had a professional organization throughout the entire event, and the pool needs to be up to that standard, and it definitely was.
For this kind of competition and championships, the system that we use is specially designed. It is a floating system that doesn't have any kind of anchorages to the existing floor, and also allows us to assemble all the whole system very fast. The main challenge of this project was the tight schedule.
Great teamwork and understanding of the different teams that were involved in this installation. We have succeeded to finish everything in only 10 days.
A lot of people don't understand how much work it is to set up this event. The public doesn't even notice because it's all run smoothly.
Everybody told that this is something that they never expected for the water polo game. We are used to watch in the other sports in such facilities.
We have built a pool into a basketball arena. This is not something you do yearly.
Many of the young people will like to play water polo, now knowing that they can be watched by 10,000 people.
It's at least a dream of any athletes, any water polo player that can be present in such a huge arena.
This makes a very good impression on the public of what water polo can be.
The new era of water polo starts from Belgrade 2026.
This is a key project for the entire world of water polo, not only Europe.